What's up, queens? Real fast as always, I'm coming to you with a DIY of repair lace front wig. This will teach you guys a technique of repairing your old units. Sometimes you could have a lace front, the quality of the hair was bad, but your hairline and everything is still on point. So you can just cut that wig and also add it to another busted and disgusted wig that the hair quality might be better, just like I did. This is one of my old units from 2014 that I am cutting up. Chop, 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 repair. I don't want to redo the DIY, so anyway, so yeah, I cut it up, cut the frontal off and everything, so that way I could restore this wig immediately. You guys, we're going to restore the whore. But anyway, this is the center point of the wig. You also have to match it up. I left the combs intact so that way I do not have to do any combs, do not have to do any straps. This is the frontal that I will be using. It is a 8-inch lace front wig that I will not be wearing. It is pretty thin because it was made to do a pixie cut with, and I don't do pixie cut. I have a fat face anyway, so I will be using her hairline to restore one of my 20-inch body wave luscious luxury busted up wig. Yeah, so I match it up ear to ear, center to center, using the combs that was already on the repaired wig. I like my deep hairline, so I tried to give me at least 3 to 4 inches. With this one, I cannot do 5 to 6 inches like my new units that we are advertising now because of the structure of the cap. The cap was only made to do about 3 to 4 inches of parting. So here I go cutting up this beautiful short hair lace front wig. It actually was a full lace wig, excuse me. So right here I have to go in and comb off all the excessive hair from cutting it off the lace. A lot of times the hair can get in between and you will be having a lot of shedding, so it's best to get all of the hair away from the end of the lace. Now it's time to match, and it is time to hatch this egg, baby. We are going to get ready to sew this thing on here. Altogether, this actually took me about 30 minutes minus the filming, so I guess I can say if I wasn't trying to film, pause, and do all of that, it could possibly just take about 25 minutes if you stay focused and continue the job. It is not a long job, basically. So I like to double the thread. This is regular hair thread I got at my local beauty supply that you guys do sew ins with. It is perfectly, because when you slide the thread through the needle, it actually doubles the thread. And I guess I should say I like to double knot, overlap. Maybe that's what I need to use. I overlap it so that way I don't have to go back weeks later after doing my different styles because of my wig falling apart. You know what I'm saying? We can't be having all that. They defeat the point of repairing the wig, and you got to repair the repair. You know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to do all that. But it came out perfectly. No worries, baby. Look at this bad thing right here. You know what I'm saying? I had on 2 nails. Excuse that. Stay focused on the wig. You know, that's the goal here. DIY. You're going to do it yourself. But anyway, get into this. Tie that thing up. Make a knot. So that way you don't just cut your thread and then next thing you know, like I said, you're going to have to repair your repair because your wig falling apart. I want you to focus. Moment of silence. See how pretty this hair look? Now look at that. It looked like I was doing a hot mess job, but hey, ain't nobody got to know what's going on underneath this wig. Clearly it got all these holes in it. Y'all ain't know that. But it is so beautiful. It actually looks semi-neat. Now look at that. Now who gonna tell me what's underneath my wig? Who gonna handle me? First of all, who is finna tell you, oh look, your wig got a hole in it? Because baby, you can't see the hole. All you see is this bad hairline, this beautiful silky hair. I could have cut that little piece, but I don't be like cutting all my baby hairs because a lot of times I use it to hide the lace, of course. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it to be too perfect, but I don't want it to look fake because, once again, who gonna tell you that your wig is a wig? All right, but anyway, we all different, and this is one of the different looks that we gonna have today. But I love this wig. I couldn't let it go. I'm going to add a bundle to this wig, actually. 24-inch bundle, and that'll be another vid coming to you soon. I just really want to show you guys how long these wigs can last, like the quality of the hair. In the past, I had nappy wigs, nappy hair, but over my years of studying, I have discovered top grade, top quality hair to where you can reinvent, convert. Woo! I can go on for days, baby. Check it out.